Hi everyone, this is the introductory video for Modules 8 and 9. In Modules 8 and 9, we shift gears and return to Benia Silva's ideas about post-racialism or colorblind racism in order to hone our race-conscious analytical skills. In Module 8, you'll read an academic article about either Glee, Friends, or South Park, and then watch an episode of the corresponding show. In Module 9, you'll do the same for the reality TV series Survivor. In Module 8, Warmington offers a strong outline of the limits of viewing race solely as a social construct. Responding to the work of Miles and Winant, for instance, Warmington wants us to reconsider how the social construction argument may in fact contribute to the post-racial paradigm currently at work in society and in academia. Given the election of Barack Obama, the post-racial discourse has become prominent in the United States and in Canada. If racism doesn't exist, as the discourse goes, then why in the world should we still talk about race at all? The author provides several salient reasons for continuing to consider the effects of racist relations on racialized and/or indigenous peoples. In Module 9, we continue our focus on the dominant ideological paradigm when it comes to understanding race and racism in our society, colorblind racism. The post-race period coincides with a backlash against civil rights gains in the United States and the West and the anti-colonial struggles in the global South. Now that our society has largely decided that race no longer matters, how do sociologists make arguments about the continued racial inequalities in society? In this module, we'll watch a couple episodes of the reality TV show Survivor in order to make further sense of the workings of race in popular culture. By selecting a TV show that is widely seen as launching the reality TV phenomenon in the early 2000s, we delve into some of this genre's well-worn tropes or ideas: racial animus or conflict, and the redneck racist. Importantly, Lenton provides an explicit rebuke of post-racial ideology by linking it to falling support for anti-racist political projects. If we read post-racialism as a discourse linked to neoliberalism, as she suggests, then we must read it for its collusion with dominant economic, social, and political changes since the 1970s. Among the most striking are the recalibration of racial inequalities under the purported sign of saving the taxpayer, changes that disproportionately impact racialized and/or indigenous peoples. What happens when we can no longer speak of racism in a society overdetermined by race, and especially racial inequalities? Thank you.